Hello guys, thanks for tuning in to this lovely video of gray hair, silver hair and salt and pepper hair. Sit right back, grab some plate of popcorn and some cup of coffee because you're so gonna enjoy this video. Sit back and keep watching.
These are how to wear your gray hair without looking old and all foggy. So, rock your gray hair with a confident boosting haircut. When you have gray hair, your self-confidence is everything. So getting a haircut or enjoying your long hair that flatters your face shape and matches your lifestyle can help you look younger. All you have to do is to go up to a mirror, pull your hair back, take a lipstick or dry eraser maker and trace the shape of your face into the mirror to get your round, oval, diamond, oblong, heart or square shape face. That is how to get your shape face. And if you have a round face, opt for a pixie cut for those that are going for short hair. If you have an oval face, try the blunt bangs. If you have a diamond face, you can go for the side swept bangs. And if you have an oblong face, you can opt for a layered bob. And also if you have a heart face, you can go for the long layers. Last but not the least, if you have a square face, you can try the classic bob as well. Taking care of your hair is the first step in styling gray hair because the gray strands are naturally fine and brittle because they lack pigments. So ease away from heating tools and reach for a hydrating hair mask. Spray it on a heat protectant if you have to use heat and choose a hair mask that is hydrating and formulated from gray hair to help your beautiful looks be the best they can. Yeah, your hair can exchange texture when you age, making it especially important to give it even more love and more attention. So, straighteners, curling irons, and even blow dryers can damage your hair when it's on high heat without heat protectant serum. Yeah. The purple gel can take away brassiness. The purple shampoo can take away brassiness. When your hair starts to gray, it is naturally take on new and exciting tones. So washing your hair with the silver and purple shampoo and doing clarifying treatment every month or every 2 weeks can keep your silver locks less yellow and more fresh and really fluffy. Yeah. So the way to look stylish on gray hair is getting your hair done, either the buns, either the twist or half up hairstyles can keep you looking young. And also these styles are protective hairstyles. The updos are a great way to brighten up your face and look put together. From simple twisted bun to style half up styles, there's something new you can try out each day with the gray hairstyles. Some give you the youthful look, some give you the baby look, and some makes you look just matured only and not old. So in this channel, you're going to be seeing lots and lots of ways to style your hair. There are so many ways, 101 ways. If you want to go for the daily hairstyle like a hack, I have different ways to achieve that on my channel. So you need to feel very free. Go check it out. If you haven't subscribed, you subscribe. Don't forget to share. One other thing is, don't go against your gray. Welcome it and embrace it because it's a free gift of God and a gift of nature. This is nature and we can't cheat nature. When nature comes knocking, we have to let it in so that it was this is. We'll let it in with both hand and embrace. So guys, keep watching till I come your way next time.
have to say about this video. I hope you love this video, and every part of it is super amazing and super interesting. The beautiful part about this video is the way the ladies are actually happy. That is what it matters a lot. The happiness matters a lot, the comfortability matters a lot, the boldness matters a lot in everything you do in your everyday life. You should be happy, you should be comfortable, and you should be bold. Be proud of your beauty, be proud of yourself. That is one thing we all need to know. Some people aren't proud of themselves. Some people feel like they're looking ugly. Some people feel like others are kind of intimidating them with your beauty, but no one is intimidating you. You are intimidating yourself by not taking care of yourself, by not looking out for your hair. And when you gray, you need to start to give your hair a lot of time, a lot of attention. That is when the beauty needs to start coming out. But if you don't give yourself those kind of attention, girl, you're never gonna look beautiful, you're never gonna look attractive, and you're always gonna feel everyone is bullying you, everyone is always making you feel less of yourself. So I don't want you to feel less of yourself. I don't want you to feel like you're not beautiful. I don't want you to feel like someone is trying to bully you or something. So that is why you need to sit up, explore, get new hairstyles, get new beautiful styles, attractive style. Or if you want to go for an everyday look, that is simple, that is fine. I have everything all wrapped up here in this channel. If you're looking for a low cut, for a big C, for a sick breast, for a pause, anyone you just want to go out for, I have everything all wrapped up here in this video. All you need to do right now is just to scroll down to my channel and you see amazing and mind-blowing videos that you're gonna love. Or if you want to go for the hair hacks, the gray hair hacks, I also have the like an everyday hairstyle for every ladies. I also have for the men, if you have your husband, your spouse that is graying, but he is feeling kind of dull and feeling kind of less of himself. Yeah, you can give it to him, let him check it out and see men that are really happy and gracefully embracing their gray hair. So guys, stay tuned till I come your way next time. I always remain your humble girl, all about black hairs.